there. We thought that today we would open our FabFitFun boxes with you and show you what we have. If you're not familiar with the FabFitFun box, it's a subscription box that you get 4 times a year. And if you do the yearly membership, you can customize your box and choose the different things that you want. And it's amazing the value. Like, I think it's, what is it now, like $49 a quarter per box?
I believe so. I think it's maybe, I think it's
$49 per box, and you get.
I think it's maybe 60.
Oh, now really?
I feel like it is. I think it's $60 annually, and I feel like it's maybe like 30, 40 something seasonally. So with the annual membership, you get more customization choices, and you get priority in choosing your items for your box, so that way they're not sold out, because that has happened a couple of times. So we believe it's the better deal, I think.
Usually the value of these boxes is in the hundreds of dollars, so it's an amazing deal. So we're just going to start opening these, and we're going to show you what we have.
Let's see. Mine got slightly busted in the mail. Don't really know what happened, but oh well. Look how pretty the packaging is on the inside.
Yeah.
It's really nice.
It says
this is out of office.
Our 50th box. So I guess
50th. Wow.
Yeah. So I guess that means 4 times a year for over 10 years.
That's pretty crazy.
Yeah, really pretty, because this is the summer box. So it's definitely got a summer theme. Okay. One thing we both decided to get was the Dr. Jar Cryo Rubber Face Mask. I have no idea what this is going to be about, but it looks really cool. So
I really wanted to try these. They sell these at Sephora as well. And I just always saw these and I thought they looked really cool. So I had tried another Dr. Jart mask, and it's amazing. Saved my skin. It's great.
It says it's a 2-step process, so I'm excited about that.
We got the Olaplex number 4D Clean Volume Detox Dry Shampoo from Olaplex, and I am really excited to try this as well. It is obviously dry shampoo.
In our house, we can never get enough dry shampoo. We try all of them. We use them like crazy. If you have long hair, this will save your day.
I also have just been looking for a new dry shampoo, and always looking for new ones to try and that smell good. I also got the Kosas Undressed eyeshadow palette, which I'm super excited about. There's some matte colors in here, and I feel like sometimes I just want, like, you know, a nice just wash of color on my eyes, nothing too crazy, and the colors in here look really great. So it looks like it's really cute. Let me see. Ooh, I like that. That's really pretty. There's one shade that's a really cool shimmer. Definitely warmer colors.
That's perfect for you.
If you're of a warmer or neutral undertone, this will be a really good palette for you. Except if you are cool toned, this shade right here, Whisper, will be really good for you as well.
One thing I got that I don't think that you got, and I'm excited to have this for our upcoming vacation. This is a travel sunglass holder. So I can put 3 different pair of sunglasses in here, fold it all up, and protect it. I guess you could hang this on something. I don't anticipate using that, but
I think if you like open it and then you like,
I could hang it up like in the hotel, like from a hook or something like that.
Yeah.
And have my entire sunglass wardrobe displayed. Now I'm excited about this.
I don't think you got this, but I got the Kopari Marine Clean Purifying Gel Cleanser. Really excited to try this. I have a couple products from Kopari that I've actually gotten through FabFitFun. They're a great brand, and this is a gel cleanser, so perfect for summer.
Yeah, most of their products are coconut oil based, and you would find that through FabFitFun, most of the cosmetic products that they offer are clean brands, and we really enjoy that. I got the Thrive Cosmetics Pout Hero Liquid Balm Lip Treatment. Okay, I can never get enough of different lip balms.
I want to see this.
I have my favorites, and then...
Oh, wait, I remember this. It's supposed to smell like vanilla, apparently.
See.
Let's see if it smells like that.
Oh my gosh, it smells amazing. And I love that kind of applicator, too. Oh, it definitely smells like vanilla, all right.
That definitely does. It's reminiscent of, like, if y'all have ever heard of the Summer Fridays lip butter balm in vanilla, it smells like that. but better, I feel.
Thrive is another clean brand, and I have a few of their products, and I love them. So I'm excited about that. Since, as I mentioned, we have an upcoming beach trip, I wanted to go ahead and get this bag because in our house, you know, it's not like the guys are out getting their own beach bags. So I try to get, this is really cute. I try to get extras.
Wait, the little stripe pattern on
I
the
didn't
inside.
realize
I didn't realize that either.
Look on the inside. Oh, and it's got a zipper top. So look at the stripes on the inside. That's so cute. And for a beach bag to have a zipper top, that's amazing too, because then you can keep the sand out. But,
and the water.
Yes, but I'm always trying to get more beach bags just so everyone in the house can have one.
It's got a little inside pocket in here, so you can put like your AirPods or your phone or portable charger or whatever.
This is from Moo Moo, and it says, "Life is fun, your clothes should be too."
I think it's Show Me Your Moo Moo.
Show me your Moo Moo.
Is
They make something else that we've had.
I feel like they do.
I can't think of what it is. I feel like they make a lot of things that are for swim and beach and everything. I'm super excited about that. That is something that's really a lot nicer than I thought it was going to be.
I got this Marilyn Schiff ring. It's a gold ring, and I have a silver ring, and so I thought that a gold ring would kind of be a nice addition for some of my kind of warmer color palette outfits.
Okay, probably the last thing in my box, and I'm sure you're familiar with this product, NARS. This is their Afterglow Sensual Shine Lipstick. And there were several different colors to choose from, so I hope I ended up choosing one that I really like. This is going to be really pretty. I mean, even just this container
really excited.
is so pretty. I have some of their other lipsticks, and I already knew that I loved this. It's a very just kind of a neutral color, which I needed. So yeah, that's, I mean, that alone, I think these are close to $40.
Yeah, I think they're maybe like 38, 36.
Yeah, so
NARS is a very luxury brand, so it's really great to be able to get those kinds of products like in here. Like there's a few other brands that FabFitFun showcases, like Low Recipe, NARS. I would even say Kosas.
And I would say Dr. Jart is a luxury brand.
I'd even say Olaplex as well. There's quite a few of these. Yeah. The two other items that I have, they're both clothing related.
Now, how did you end up with so many more things than I did?
I don't really know. And then, so I have this little bra top, which I think is really cute. It has a built-in bra. It's from Aerie. It's got the little like
that's
sun
super cute.
thing.
I love that kind of periwinkle blue
I know.
color.
I also like that the straps are kind of thick too, so that's really cool. I got this in a size small. I had to do my research beforehand because I didn't really know what would fit me. Then for my last item, this is a dress.
Oh my gosh.
And I know.
I mean, can you believe all of this for what
the
they charge?
variety of products you can get. I mean, there's, you know, things from beauty to clothing to home to overall lifestyle and wellness. I mean,
That's one of the things that I like. Like, well, let's go ahead and see this dress. Oh my gosh, that's gonna be really cute on you.
What is going on here?
Oh, what size is it?
Hey. Oh, I forgot. This has a little tie in the back. That's why.
Okay.
I was really scared for a minute. I was like, this looks really big. I'm like 99% sure.
That was one size fits all, wasn't it?
No,
it wasn't.
No, it's supposed to be a small or an extra small. This is an extra small to small.
Oh wow.
So, you know, we'll see if this works out or not.
Yeah, it'll be cute when you have it on.
Yeah, I'm really excited. Hopefully, maybe if this looks really cute, I'll take it to our next vacation trip.
Yeah.
So
you can even put like a little white tank under that,
for
or
sure,
something like that. Or even a color. So one of the things I also like with FabFitFun, a couple of days before they have their customization, they open their, what do they call it when you can?
They're add-ons.
Yes, they're add-ons, and they have hundreds and hundreds of items that you can add to your box order, and you can search by brand, and that's when you really see tons and tons of hair care products and skincare products and cosmetics and lots of household items and extra clothing, all sorts of things. So that's really fun. And we have a lot of fun because they do spoiler alerts on their items that they're going to have. How many choices do we usually get? 5?
So there's 6 different customization items. And for the seasonal and annual members, they will show customizations 1 through 4. They like to, I've realized that within the last couple of years, they've tried to bring the surprise back to it, which I think is really cool. So you can kind of get to the customization and be like, oh wow, these are, you know, some great options, and you can even choose a mystery item if you want, so they'll just pick an item for you if you really can't decide.
I don't recommend that.
Yeah, I mean, it's, you know, it's, I'm not a risk taker by any means.
Yeah, we get a little OCD about this. We plan weeks in advance what we think we're going to choose, and then we even, they open the customization at a specific time. It's usually on a Friday. Dallas time, it's usually about 11 a.m. When she was in high school, she had a class where she was able to sit there and do her customization, and we'd be like in constant contact while we were doing it. Now when she's in college, same kind of thing. She's been able to do it, and so we're like, okay, what are you gonna get? You know,
I'm gonna have a gap for it next year because
awesome.
yeah, that'll be really fun.
And you can choose more than one thing in a category. I usually let her pick one extra thing, and sometimes if there's a category where I don't care for any of the items, such as her Kosas palette, I'm like, okay, I'll just get that for you since you want that. So it's, you know, not only is it fun, not only is it a great value, but it's just something we really enjoy doing together.
Yes.
So we highly recommend it. And I guess the next box will come out.
I think we
It'll
might
be the fall box, right?
I think we'll probably start picking our items, I'm guessing July.
But we highly recommend this. It's really fun, great value. Even if you use these items as gifts for other people, it's just such an amazing value.
That is a great thing to do.
She gets lots of gifts for friends, and so, or sometimes we'll get things and we'll just be like, well, I don't know if I'm going to get around to using this, and we'll use it as a stocking stuffer or just a, you know, little birthday gift or to add into a bigger gift. We love it.
Yeah, we love it.
How many years have I've been doing this for? I'm going to say 7 years now.
I've been doing this, I think, maybe since my freshman year.
Yeah,
so
about 5 years for you. Hope you enjoyed this. Please like and subscribe, and check out FabFitFun. I'll put the link below in the description.
So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see y'all next time.
Okay, bye-bye.